Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the integration of this one. So if we look carefully about this integration, we see that the integration from number 8 to number 14. So I just draw the diagram in here. So we have the integration from number 8 to number 14. So we want to find the integration from number 10 to number 12. So number 10, they should be in here. Number 12, that is in here. We want to find this one only. So that means we need to minus about the integration from number 8 to number 10 and the integration from number 12 to number 14. So that means we will use this one. That's the whole unit of integration. So we have number 5. We minus about the integration from number 8 to number 10 and number 12 to number 14. So we calculate this one and we have negative number 7, and that's the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we need to find the integration of this one. So this one we can put like this. And this one negative number 6. We know that we have the formula in here. And this one equals to negative the integration from b to a. So we have the integration from number 12 to number 10. But this one, that's a from number 10 to number 12. So that means we need to put negative sign in here. And this one, we will have 5 multiplied by negative number 1. That's a from negative sign here. And we have negative number 7 in here. Because we just change the bound from 12 to 10 into 10 to 12. That's why we have this one in here. This one we will have about s. And we put the bound from number 12 to number 10. So we calculate like this. This one we have positive number 7. Number 5 multiplied by positive number 7. We have 35. This one we have 10 minus number 12. We calculate this one and we have negative number 2. So this one we have 47. This is the end. Thank you for watching.